Hey, everybody. A little update here this morning. As everyone you should know, interest rates broke out above these recent highs, and the markets are taking that hard. Well, we'll take a look at how hard they're taking that, but so many expectations for lowering of interest rates and those hopes dashing 6 cuts, 3 cuts, 2 cuts, maybe no cuts now. And that's kind of been built into the markets, but we'll see where this goes. You can see this is the 10-year interest rate um, moving down, but markets haven't been able to get off the mat here. Take a look at S&Ps down here at the 20 MA on minor support. We covered that this morning pre-market. They're stabilizing here. And most mornings they would have rallied off of this low. Generally, this is a 5-minute chart on the lower right here. 20 MA, 60 MA, which is equal to the 20 MA on the 15-minute chart, and that 200 is equal to the 20 MA on the 60. So I know all trends are down. The 5 minutes flattening out. It's below the open, the blue line. So if it can rally back up here and stay above that blue line for a little while, we would look for longs. It's not happening. So far, they're just hanging down here at the low, which would suggest they're going to go lower. And as you can see, the Qs here look like they're going to drop. So maybe we'll get a short off in the latter part of the day here. The Russell has not been able to move up either. Just been grinding down. That should go down to the 50 MA. So as long as interest rates stay up, these markets are going to go down. They're going to test this support. And we'll talk about more in MT Live on Wednesday. You can join here. The link is at the bottom there. You can type it in.